out there. Just wanted to give everyone a quick update on how Manny is doing and let him tell you how things are going. And let me see if I can get this turned around to give you Manny. Hold on a second. I may have to stop the recording and then start back up. So looks like I'm gonna have to. So okay, I'll be right back.
YouTubers, how you doing? Long time no see.
So, as everyone knows, Manny had surgery on October 17th.
Yep.
So, we felt it was time that Manny let you all know how he's doing.
Yeah.
So, how are you doing?
All right. Still hurts. Last time I went to the hospital, they said that it's going to take a little while because all the nerves got beat up a little bit, which I guess I can understand. And I'm just one of those kind of people that I need to get done now. I need to get better now. It's not happening. I just wish I would get better quicker, because laying around doing nothing, except for Kathy has me running around.
Doing laps in the house.
4 laps every day. And now I'm walking to
the mailbox.
Yeah, I did it actually twice, and it really hurt. So
not quite ready for that.
No. I'll stick to doing the laps.
So what kind of surgery did you have?
Yeah, call L3-4-4-5 laminotomy and foraminal stenosis. Foraminal. Okay. And what that basically is, my discs were pushing on my nerves, sciatic nerves, and they had to go in there because it was pinched nerves, and they had to go in there and scrape away the bone that was. Here's the nerve, here's the disc on it, and they went in there and shaved.
Pressing on the spinal cord.
Inside, yeah, so. And to give it more room, and the stenosis and all that.
Didn't you have bone spurs also?
Bone spurs, yeah. And this has been going since when I was in the Marine Corps.
And it was affecting your, didn't they say something about it was affecting your sciatica nerve down your leg?
Oh my God.
Causing numbness?
All the way down to my foot. Crazy. That's crazy. If you go, you know, if you guys look in the past videos, you'll see me limping a little bit. You know, sometimes limping more than other times, but yeah, it's just getting worse and worse. And finally they said, you know what? We got to do something now.
But they made the decision after they did another MRI on you, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
And it was the neurosurgeon.
Yep.
The neurosurgeon said it's time.
Yep.
So it's been almost 1 month post-op. So how are you feeling since your surgery?
Still painful. Down my right leg, still painful. But
didn't you
they
say
said
your
it's gonna
foot was numb still?
Yeah, my toes. Man, it's weird. My toes are numb. My leg, my buttocks area, all that area. It's, I guess it takes time. It's just that, you know, doing nothing. Oh my God, it's driving me crazy. All I'm doing, I'm used to working, you know, and now I'm not working. It's like,
You're not used to sitting still, being stationary.
All my life, I've always had 2, 3 jobs, constantly. And that's while in the Marine Corps.
And you can't even drive yet. You haven't been cleared to drive, so I've been your chauffeur.
Yeah, that's why we haven't even attempted to get the slides fixed yet.
Yeah, we had to put everything on hold because this was a sudden decision the neurosurgeon made and said, nope, you cannot wait any longer because you'll just get worse and worse and worse. On a scale of 1 to 10, how are you feeling with your pain level?
Right now, it's probably a 4. I'm not doing nothing, but like when I walk, oh man, it hurts a lot.
He has the cane.
Yeah, they gave me a cane. Helps me. It really does help me. I lean on this bad boy.
And you mentioned what you've done since your surgery, and that's pretty much doing me making you do the laps in the house.
Yeah.
Doing your walking and stuff like that.
4 laps a day.
Drinking lots of water, pushing the fluids so you don't get dehydrated. And how do you feel your recovery's been so far?
Too slow.
Too slow?
Yeah, it depends on the person, how long. There's a lot of deciding factors. Depends on the person, how long it's been going on, what exactly is going on, and put that all together. And with me, I'm an old guy. I'm 60 now. And let's see.
What was the time frame that the doctor gave you for recovery?
Initially, 4 to 6 weeks. Wow. And December 5th is when I go back to see the doctor. And then it's going to be from October 17th through December 5th.
Almost a month and a half?
Yeah, it's
something like that? 6 weeks? It would be 6 weeks?
Yep.
And still won't be clear to drive yet because I'll be driving you still. I'm still the chauffeur. So it makes a long day in the driving, but I have to do it for my honeydew here. So other than that, we're just waiting on the neurosurgeon to clear you so you can start driving again. And so we can get the next step after you're fully recovered is getting back to we got to get the slides fixed.
Yeah, bring it to a place
to get it fixed. So she's been put on hold. We're stationary. We're still at home base, and we're doing okay. It just, this is one of those things that happens. It just puts a damper in us getting ready to go full time. But it is what it is, and we'll get through it, and God will give us the green light when it's ready, and when we're ready.
Yep. Oh, stop the presses. Have you guys seen the movie yet?
What movie?
The movie.
What movie? The movie! Yeah. Epic Nomad.
Epic Nomad. It came out yesterday. If any of you guys are interested in seeing the movie, the full movie, just message me or go in the comments and say, hey, how can I see this movie?
Well, we're seeing if you are considering going into RVing full-time and making it your lifelong journey, I strongly agree. I give it like 4 thumbs up. I was crying. Yeah. There were some beautiful moments in that movie, but you know what? It was some really good thinkers there. Yeah. It's like, wow. So true of what was being said in this movie. Yeah. Very, 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 very good movie.
Amazing. You know what? The RV community came together with all their knowledge and made this movie. This is an amazing, epic movie. I'm not kidding.
And isn't there an app that somehow,
yes,
with your help?
You let me know.
And you can get them on this app.
I'll send it to you and bring you right there. And it's kind of like a club, kind of.
But it's a really nice, good RV community club.
Yes.
Wouldn't you agree?
You know what? You know what's amazing? The people that you're looking... Okay, when you watch the movie and you're listening to them and...
Hearing their stories.
And you can
relate.
Talk to them. They're normal people. They're RVers. You can talk to them back and forth. They're normal people. But they just happen to make a movie. It's amazing.
But it's a good movie.
Amazing community.
Highly recommend it for those if you're considering going into RV full time.
Or if you're curious.
Or if you're just curious. Even if you want to do RVing part time.
Yeah.
You would say for me, it answered a lot of questions that I still had.
Yeah,
answered
really
a lot
movie.
of questions.
Great movie. Great movie. Great movie.
So with that said.
All right. I want to thank every single one of you for your total support in our channel. I understand that we haven't been...
Seemed like we fell off the earth.
Yeah, but due to the circumstances. That's why we're giving this little update. But I want to thank every one of you very much. Because without you guys, we're nothing. And I enjoy doing this. I get nervous, but I enjoy doing this. And I want to thank you all. And
we will see...
Kathy behind the camera?
we'll see you all soon. Again, we want to thank you all definitely for your support to our channel. And
like, share, subscribe.
Thumbs up, comment below.
Yes.
And we will do our best to keep everyone updated on Manny's progress in his recovery. And what's going on from there. But we just wanted to give, like Manny said, an update as to what happened, because I know there's been some concerns as to, well, what happened, like we just fell off the face of the earth, so to speak. But we didn't. It was, this is one of those curveballs that life threw at us, and we had to handle it head on. And that's what we did, and we're in recovery mode, and our little rig she's tucked away nice and sweetly, but...
I miss her.
So we will see you all real soon. If we have any sudden changes in Manny's recovery, we'll let everyone know.
Yeah, we'll keep you abreast.
But we'll keep you updated, and hopefully, with me not being too busy because I am taking care of my darling husband, we'll try to give an update on or about after December 5th, how he's doing with his recovery for his second post-op visit. So until then, we'll see you all real soon. Thanks again for your support.
Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it.
So stay tuned, everyone.